Let's talk about some of the items you can write off if you have a side business or a side gig, along with your regular old 9 to 5 job. So, first thing would be a percentage of your cell phone bill, depending on what percentage you use for business. Or if you create a whole separate line under the business, that whole line would be deductible. Other thing is the business mileage deduction. And right now, as of 2023, it's 65 and a half cents per mile. So let's say you drove 3,800 miles of business over the course of the year. That write-off would be $2,489. That's a pretty substantial write-off. Other things you can write off are software, office supplies, computers, your monthly internet bill, meals and entertainment. I believe they're reduced at around 50%. Don't hold me to that, but meals and entertainment, as long as you are talking about the business or what you can do to help grow the business, or you have a potential customer in front of you, you can write that off as well. So travel expenses can also be written off, and then depreciation. Let's say you have a vehicle, a big vehicle like a truck that you need. Say it's contracting work you're doing, or you're doing fix and flips. Over 6,000 pounds as of 2023, getting an 80% write-off on that. And if you own real estate, of course, you get the depreciation on real estate as well. There are several other things you can write off, but these are just some of the examples. Let's talk about why real estate makes more millionaires than any other business out there. Well, the biggest reason it makes it is because it is the most tax advantaged asset out there. It's the most tax advantaged asset class. So you can write off interest, depreciation, you can write off real estate taxes, insurance, maintenance, upgrades to the property. You can write all of these items off. And let's talk about how easy it is to leverage. You can leverage real estate up to 90%. And that's with going with asset-based lenders out there. Traditionally, it would be 80%, but you can do it up to 90% as an investor. Other thing is you can use other people's money to make extraordinary wealth. You don't even have to have your own funds. You could borrow funds from someone else, an investor, and then you invest that money and give them a return when you sell or you refinance the property. And what other asset do you get paid by somebody else to pay your monthly mortgage? So think about that. That's why real estate makes more millionaires than any other business.